Hey everyone, thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, we are going to update about Algorand. Algorand is the project about layer 1 blockchain. They are planning to have the best and the greatest L1 solution in the market as an Ethereum competitor. But Algorand is not among the project which could do whatever they promised. But they also are developing, like the other project. Algorand is integrating the Python on Algorand, which is really good to see this kind of development. But in the end, we will see a bad news about Algorand as well. But let's focus about the price and the market evaluation of the Algorand. At the time of recording, we can see Algorand, it is at the rank 71 with around 18 cents. It's trading. The market cap of Algorand, we can see almost with respect to the total supply, all the circulating supply are in circulation, but still there is inflation because Algorand has a max supply, and these are coming for this kind of proof of stake reserved coin. Then we can see Algorand has a $1.5 billion market cap. Algorand all-time high was almost 5 years ago. It means this coin was not able to print a new all-time high during the last cycle, which is not good to see this kind of behavior for cryptocurrencies project. Then 3.56 was the all-time high, and from that time we are 94% down. The all-time low, it was 8 months ago, and it was around 8 cents. It was just recently we saw the new all-time low for Algorand. We can see Algorand is listed on most of the exchanges like Gate, Mexi, LBank, Binance, Coinbase even. But this project is not doing whatever they promised. About the price chart, what we can see, this is the all-time low, which we saw in this bear market. Algorand printed the new all-time low, which it was not able to print a new all-time high in the last bull run. This one was the all-time high for Algorand 2 cycles ago. But still, many people, they believe this project can do and can have a upside for their investor. This area is supposed to hold. And then if this area hold the price, then we can expect to see the up target for this one. This area around 70 to 80 cents, of course, is a heavy resistance for Algorand. But let's see what they can do with the fundamental news in this coming bull run. About the market cap of Algorand, it is not as similar to the market as the price. The reason behind is first they start with a low tokenomics, then they release their token in the market. They sold most of the token. That's why the price was not able to go higher. And again, they sold the rest of the coin. They had it. But from the last cycle all-time high till now, we only saw around 30% inflation, which is acceptable. And the rest of the coin they're releasing over the time for the staking. About the dominance, of course, Algorand is not among the project to attract the new people, the new retail investors. Therefore, it's losing its dominance. This is the things we should mention about the project. Of course, I don't want to say this is a bad project. They can do, the investor, they can again pump this project. But this is just about the fact we can see on the chart. The dominance is not attracting new capital, then it's rolling down. This is the reality. About the BTC pair also, it's not good as well. We can see the Algorand from the all-time high has a really far distance, and it's just it's heading to the south. And for the BTC pair also is printing a new all-time low. About the Ethereum pair, we can see the same things. It's just going down, and it's supposed to have a to be, let's say, as a Ethereum killer, but this is the reality. We can see it's bleeding against the Ethereum. Then about the performance of the Algorand from the 1st of January 2024, we can see this coin, it went all the way up to 43% and then retracing back, and now it is minus 15.8% down. Of course, if we can check it with the BTC pair, we cannot see that much promising data, which again, it is minus 50% down against BTC and against the Ethereum. we can see minus 47%. It means whoever they invested, even in this upside, the investment in compared to the Bitcoin and Ethereum, it was not among the good decision that person did in the market. Then if we did just a DCA in this crypto from the 1st of January, we spent $1,420 over 142 days. Then we could accumulate more than 7,000 ALGO at the average price of 20 cents, which we are now down minus 6.4%, and we lost minus $90. But it is good because when the market was pumping, many people just talk about the Algorand. Just imagine 1% bought Algorand around 28 cents, and now it went almost 50%, 47%, and now it is at minus 33%. But the DCA, we could have only minus 6% down. Then about the price prediction, I'm not expecting to see Algorand like a really big gainer in the market. But what we can see and what we can expect, at least this trend line, it's a heavy resistance for Algorand. Then around that area, this is one. And the other things I'm expecting to see, because price was really fluctuating around this area, I can make it red. These are the two targets, around 50 cents, around, let's say, 60 to 70 cents. This is the price I'm getting from this. Also, we can extend it to here. Yeah, to here. Then around this area, it's a heavy resistance for Algorand, which is a good time to go out from this trade. And then from the other side, we can see this trend line also can make a big barrier. Then in this area, it's a big price resistance for Algorand between 70 to $1.70. I think it's a safe bet if you have this project just to get out of this trade. Then around that area, if we want to see around $1.45, around $1.60, around the all-time high, we can expect to see the market cap can go as high as $13 to $14 billion. Or if we can manage to go around 145, then we can see around $12 billion as a market cap. Then in that scenario, I'm expecting for around 7x return on investment on this project. The reason behind of this price prediction for Algorand, because they are not doing whatever they promised for their investor. People they had a big and great hope on Algorand, but unfortunately the Algorand was not able to do their promise. And here we can see the Algorand 0.46 is out of 10. It's not really good. Also, if you have a look on ALGO Explorer, what you can see here, it's written, after 5 years, we made the difficult decision to shut down ALGO Explorer on 31st January 2024 due to lack of funding. I'm not saying Algorand cannot go higher, but these are not a good sign we see for our investment to make a decision for this project. Then they have this one, explore.pearl wallet. You can search here about the Algorand transaction, but the official one, due to lack of funding, is closed. It was just my opinion. It was not financial advice. Just I thought about this project loudly, and then you just heard my whatever I'm thinking about this ALGO project. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and see you in the next video. Peace out.